What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to another vlog. I'm going to try and keep this up, I think, trying to make all these vlogs. And today you are joined with me in the sunny London. As you might be able to tell from my face, I might be a little bit sunburned, as today's weather has turned completely. I need to take this jumper off as I am boiling, but what a day it is to collect a supercar. So I'm here with some friends who have got their Ferrari Speciale and Porsche GT3, and they're collecting it at NVN London. Now this is my first time here, and this is what Mr. JWW has filmed and set up, as you'll see on his Instagram, and this place has blown my mind away. It is immaculate. So we're going to collect them cars after being washed, and I think PPF'd, with a friend who also owns a 488, and I'll show you guys in the showroom, as it is amazing. The workplace is spotless, and even the lounge, well, you'll see from the video, you'll understand what I mean. So without further ado, enjoy the video. So here we are at NVN, and like this place is amazing, and like you'll just be able to hear me as they are still working, as it's a Monday, so it'll be a normal job for them. But as you can see behind me, that's NVN, and this place is insane. It really is. Just from every car and how detailed they get to it, how clean, immaculate, and how they treat the cars. It is amazing. Just through watching some of them detail the cars, it's amazing to watch, see how they do it as well. So it's very interesting, as I've never really been to these places to watch how it's done. But we've got the likes like an SVJ, 600 LT, Speciale, GT3, and then from a Datsun to a Skyline. I'm like, they've got a variety of cars in here. Not your always usual Lamborghini and Ferrari at these supercar places, but NVN do the whole range, which I think is awesome. And when Mr. JWW, I think, launched this, they had the full Ford Zagato range, which looked unbelievable, and that was what I saw at Goodwood. So a lot of these cars come all the way around the world. I believe NVN is also in Dubai, as I've seen like the Lycan Hypersport have the NVN sticker, and the Lexus LFA. So, you know, NVN are killing it at the moment. And yeah, what a view this is. So, as you can see, this is the workplace, NVN London, and like, you'll be able to tell this place looks immaculate and is immaculate. I love all these lights shining down, making all the cars just look insane. Like, as you can see, this is the Speciale we'll be collecting. It's just crazy. So this is one I had a ride in last time, which is also with the Miami Blue GT3, which these two together look, you know, amazing. This is where they do like the PPF sizing, also got upstairs. As you can see, there's a lot going on at the moment of them doing PPF, so I won't go into too much detail. But we start things off with the Speciale, which we will be collecting and taking it back to London. We have then got a lovely 720S in volcanic orange, I believe. This looks awesome under the lights. So NVN have really focused on standing the cars out and treating the customers rightly. As you can see, the lounge, you could just sit there all day just looking out. And you can see there's chairs upstairs. They have literally smashed it here, but the lights have really made the cars stand out. Over there we've got a lovely Ferrari Pista, and it's got a very cool stripe on it. Big fan of that, actually. I don't know if it's the same one I saw in London last time, but again, the Pistas, as I say in every video, they are growing on me. However, regardless today, I would easily take the Speciale. I think they're just so rare and so special at the moment. You know, they're just insane. We've got the friend 488 just coming in for a wash now, as the GT3 has just been finished. We've got a Nissan GTR Skyline. I'm like, NVN has just got the complete different of car, the range. I'm like, from a Datsun to an 812 to an SVJ. They don't just focus on supercars, although everything here is basically a supercar. It's not just the old Ferrari, Lamborghinis and everything. We've got a Datsun there, Cullen there, another Aston Martin being worked on, and this SVJ. How cool is this in Rosso Mars? So Big fan of that. It looks amazing under the lights again. And we've got this 812. It looks very nice indeed. And this 600 LT Spider. Very, very interesting with the orange accents. But again, we're a really big fan of this. As the lights, you know, bring out the colour. And we've got these two Rolls Royces on one of their backdrops. You know, as I said, they're really focusing on showing out and making the cars look amazing, and which they've done. So honestly, hands down, NVN has smashed this out of the park. And yeah, what a place to be. So while they're just detailing all the other cars, I've managed to get my crisps out from the meal deal this morning, and we're going to head just to see Pagani UK and Topaz, just to check if anything's outside. We've also got a change of plan. The Speciale is now staying here for a full PPF, and we'll take the GT3 and 488 into Central. So that's all the difference, and without that, I'm just going to carry on through the day. As you might have saw, I didn't really film much in there, as I want to be kind of respectful, as they are private cars in there. However, we saw a LaFerrari Aperta, Zagato shooting brake, and 6 Zondas. They did lift up Pagani UK shutters. We saw the Tricolore, Hong Kong Zonda F, White Zonda F, another Zonda F. Yeah, there's quite a few in there. Wyra Roadster we saw. 4 Pistas, 3 being delivered. So yeah, not bad at all. And now we're just heading back to NVN to go back into Central London.
Here, let's go back.
Loud.